sorry, Costco. Sorry, yeah.
No mic.
We all know Costco.
No mic. That's it.
No
Oh,
mic?
yeah, we're not using mics.
Oh,
today.
yes, no.
We don't.
No, you don't need one.
Oh,
No, I don't ever use mine, ever.
oh, what we use, we were using yesterday.
Yeah, I know, but it did something funny to the sound, so.
Oh, I see.
Okay, ready?
Hello everyone.
Hello.
Today I want to talk about Costco company. Before we begin, I would like you to ask two questions. First, how many of you usually shop groceries for themselves or their families? Where do you usually shop yourself?
Costco.
Costco, yeah,
And Walmart.
Walmart.
Walmart. And second, have you been ever shop at Costco before?
Yeah.
Yes. What do you bought in Costco?
I usually buy my groceries and some pajamas.
Okay. Now, let's begin to my discussion. Today, I want to talk about Costco Wholesale, one of the biggest retail warehouse known for its membership-based system. And Costco has become popular due to a combination of high-quality, low-priced product and strong company culture that emphasizes employee satisfaction and customer service. To my first point, I want to introduce Costco. The name of Costco is the name itself, which is Costco Wholesale. And the logo is red and blue. And the slogan of the company is do the right thing. And there is two persons behind this company. And they are Jeff Broadman and Jim Senegal. These two persons started the company in September 1983 in Seattle, Washington, USA. The spelling of Seattle is S-E-A-T-T-L-E. Why the company started? Because Jeff and Jim wants to offer wholesale savings to the general public through a membership-based model. They were inspired by the earlier Prime Club. Where is the company main headquarters? It's in Issaquah, Washington, USA. The spelling of Issaquah is S-I-S-S-A-Q-U-A-H. And as of August 31, 2025, Costco has a total of 341 employees worldwide. And year over year, Costco employees increased by 2.40%, which is 80,000 persons a year. And as of October 2025, they have a total of 918 Costco stores worldwide. And the majority of stores is in the USA. Now, let's move on to my second point, which is the company's products and services. Costco provides electronics, bulk groceries, and clothing in its warehouse, along with services like travel, insurance, and home delivery. Also, some of the foods products Costco offers are roast chicken, hot dogs, pizza, seafoods, and deli meats. And last year, 2024, the company made a total of $7.4 billion. Now let's move on to my third point. Why I choose Costco? Because Costco often offers good deal sales and they have a wide variety of essential products that we need all in one place. Like medicine, eye care, foods, and gasoline. And my second point is because of the 2% executive membership rebate, this is an annual 2% reward is a strong contender for members who spend over $3,250 per year. As it can help cover the membership cost. To conclude, Costco is a great place to work because of its high-quality benefits, competitive wages, and strong culture of promoting within. The company offers excellent health, dental, and retirement plans, provides opportunities for career advancement, and supportive work environment with good compensation. So, if you have never shopped in Costco, then I highly suggest to get a membership first to buy in Costco. Because you can save money by buying quality products in bulk, enjoy lower prices than the most stores, and get great value to their signature brand, Kirkland. Costco also offers a generous return policy, fresh foods, and helpful services in all in one place. Thank you. That's for